Hi guys, welcome to my channel. The screenshot which you are seeing is of a YouTube channel and making 1 to 19k per month just by adding the YouTube shorts. Yes, you heard right, just by adding the YouTube shorts. If you are really going through the tough time and the sleepless nights and running out of money, then trust me, this video is for you. I just need your next 5 minutes, and the next 5 minutes can really change the game. Let me tell you quickly how. We will make the 300 YouTube shorts and in just 30 minutes. Are you worried how? Let me show you. Here we will go to the ChatGPT and write there we need the love quotes. So ChatGPT has generated the quotes for us. Now we would precise our more instructions and we'll say that we need the love quotes for boys. So it has generated the love quotes regarding the boys. Now I would precise it more and we'll say that needs the love quotes in the two different parts, like first part and the second part. So you can customize and get the desired result as per your instructions. So the ChatGPT is doing the same the way you want. Now I would give it example like first part and second part. And see guys, it has generated in the chart form which I can paste it in the Excel. I would give the instructions that I need the above table. So now I am getting it a table. I will replace my theme of a love with the boys, because initially we want to get the boys fact. See, my quotes are ready. Now I would get the same quotes for the girls fact in the above format. Now I will copy all these quotes and put them in the Excel and will paste it there as a special, so that my format is not changed, and I will copy more quotes and will paste them in the Excel. So my sheet is ready and we have done the 50% work. Now we will move to the Canva, and here we would select the YouTube shorts and I will select any video which I would like for my shorts. Let me search more if I find the better one. After selecting the YouTube short format which I have selected, I would go to the customize this template, and here I will play and check if I like any more. This one is much better. I would select it and will drag it till at least 10 seconds. You can choose 10 to 15. Now I would copy and paste, because I have 3 parts of my course, so I should have 3 written text available. I will do its editing. Then I would write the first as a boys fact. And I did the second part and go back to my Excel sheet and copy the first part and paste it here, and will copy the second part and paste it here. Now I will do the basic editing. I will change its font. I like this one, and increase its size so it should be easily viewable. In the same manner, I am changing its font and size as well. Now I will set the page as per my requirement. Now I will select the animation which I want. I will select the timings for the voice effect and for the first part and for the second part. Here is one trick which I will tell you. First, let me show you how we do. Video short is ready. Look guys, it's look pretty cool, simple. Now the last part I will choose it for a shorter duration, because your viewers would try to read the last part and they would play it again and again. It would increase your viewership and eventually you would get more views. Now I would go to the bulk create option and we'll clear its data already available in the Excel, and then go back to my Excel sheet and select it from the theme, and I would copy paste all these 30 codes and would paste it here. Now I would press the done, and the first part is theme. I would connect the data with theme. The second part is the first part and it's our second part. Now I will press the continue and generate the pages. Now you can see my all 30 YouTube shorts are ready. Look guys, it's so amazing. So it's pretty cool, and you can upload the 16 videos maximum within 24 hours. So you have done your whole month work. Now what I can do in the same manner, I can generate more shorts and I can change the video as well, because these are with the same video. So I will, instead of changing the video style one by one, I will again go to my ChatGPT and will copy the codes and paste it in the Excel. And now I will create the different video. I will copy all the data and I will select this video now, drag it till 10 seconds and will edit it the same manner as I did. I will go and enter the data manually. Now I will paste all those new after 30 till 30 we have created. Now after 30 I will paste all these shorts over here, press the enter, connect it with the theme and connect it with the first part, connect it with the second part. Now I will press continue and my all the reels are shorts and reels, whatever you want is generated over here. You can use them as a TikTok and can use it as an Instagram reel and can use it as a YouTube short. Now we would save it and download it. Guys, you can also do it. If you really like the video, please like and subscribe. If you need any help, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.